So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to discuss some other concepts. Yesterday we also discussed 2 or 3 concepts, and today also we are going to discuss like 2 or 3 or 4, whatever possible. So, welcome everyone. And also you can think like why these are very simple concepts, these are very simple things that I can also like I know I don't have to know these things. I do not have to see these things. I am not there is nothing new. There is no complex things. I will just say that there is nothing called complex. When you will combine simple things into a bigger thing and you do not understand those simple things, it will become automatically complex. So you need to understand simple concepts, then only you will be able to combine things and write more and more bigger query and whatever analysis you can do. So let's get started. And suppose I have let's select all from TPU dot employee. Okay, I get all the rows, all the columns from the employee table. Okay, so I have salary column 800, 1600, 1250. Okay, so what I want the employee number. I get the employee number, but I want if someone's salary is greater than 1000 rupees or whatever. For example, I have taken 1000, 1250. I will just say for example it will be 1000 greater than 1000 rupees. I want to print yes, it is more than 1000 rupees. If it is not more than 1000 rupees, then I just want to print no, nothing else will come, like that. So how we will do it? How we will print, how we will write conditional statements in select? So there is one method called case when statement. So how it forms like case when salary, the column name is cell. So cell is greater than equals, let's for example let's take 2000. Okay, 2000. Then I will expect a yes as a message, else no. And we have the syntax end, and we can give alias. Okay, correct. So what this will give? This will give yes no message if it is more than 2000, no if it is less than 2000. So let's execute this, and as a result you can see we got the yes no, whatever the result depends on whatever the salary is there. So this is the case. This is conditional statement to write in select statement. We can use case when to execute conditional statements. So what if there are multiple conditions? How we will write? Suppose I do not want just simply yes or no. I just want to write more than 2000. If I want to write another condition, then what I will do? I will write another when without comma. There will be nothing. Directly another when shall greater than 3000, then more than 3000, else no. Let's keep it to like 2 statements. Like this you can write whatever amount of conditions you want to give, multiple condition, multiple case when statement. Like this you can give without comma multiple when statements, it will come. So you can see more than 2000, more than 2000, If it is more than 2000, more than 2000. If it is more than 3000, then more than 3000. Or else if it is lower than 3000, then it will return no. So that's it. This is simple conditional statements you can use in select statement. So there are 14 rows. Okay, results returned 14 rows. What if I do not, I have 1000 rows, 25,000 rows, 50,000 rows? What if I just want to see the structure of the data? Like I can see the structure of data either by selecting 2 rows also, 5 rows also. Even if I will get 25,000 rows also, I can get the same information. The information I can get from either looking of 5 to 10 rows. So how I will do that? How I will select, instead of selecting all the rows, how I will select number of rows that I want. So there is a thing in SQL server. You can use top statement, top 10 suppose. I got 10 rows. Suppose I want top 5. I got 5 rows. Okay. Whatever the results coming, the result is coming 14 rows. It is limiting those rows to 5 results. That is the use of top. If you are in MySQL, then you have to write limit to. Okay. So what you will do, you will use limit. Okay. So if you are in MySQL, you have to use limit. If you are in SQL server, then you have to use top. These are the most used versions in database. If you are using some other versions, then like that, whatever syntax it has, you can check and you can use accordingly. So this is simple concept. This is the second concept that we discussed today. And let us discuss another concept, how to return a random value from the result. I do not want any specific value, I do not want any conditional value, I just want some random value like that. I do not want anything, just want one random value from TPO employee. Okay. So in SQL server, to get a random value, what I can use? I will get, suppose I want like give me 3 random values, top 3, because I am selecting 3 values, so top 3. Then you have to use the order by. There is a function called new ID. Okay, new ID. So what this will return? This will return me 3 random values. Doesn't matter, nothing, no condition, nothing is there. It will just pick some values at random and it will give 394421. Let's execute again. 443900. Let's execute again. 993488. So the times you will execute, you will get each time a new result. Values can repeat also, but each time you will get new result, new combinations. So this is how you can get some random values, whatever data you no need to select any data, you just want some random things and you got. This is the function you can use. Okay. So in SQL Server you can use this thing. What in MySQL? What about MySQL? What you can use in MySQL? So there is a function called geometry. Okay. And in MySQL you have, instead of top, you have to use limit 4 or 5 or whatever it is there. You have to use in MySQL and you will get the same result as of this SQL server. You will get the same result. So guys, that's it for today. These are the 3 simple concepts. We keep it here and we'll discuss some other concept tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you learn something new, just comment and subscribe to my channel. I will post live videos like this. I will make conceptual videos regularly and I hope you are learning something and you will learn obviously. Simple concepts, if you learn and if you master, then you can write any complex query. Doesn't matter how long it is. So that's it guys, see you tomorrow, see you next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, comment if you learn something new, and even if you are starting, this is also fine for you. So goodbye guys, thank you very much.